Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to change your profile picture on YouTube. So I will show the step-by-step process of changing your profile picture on YouTube. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube profile. Then you have to click on the icon on the top right corner. Then you have to click your channel. Then this option will come. From here in the right side you will see one gear option, so you have to click on the gear sign. Then from here you will get the channel settings. Here the top right corner there is a three dot, so click on the three dot. Then you will get the help and feedback option, so click on the help and feedback option. Then this thing support thing will come. From here you have to click on Google account setting, so I'm clicking on Google account setting. Then the page will load and the account setting option will come. From here you can change your profile picture. So now you can click on the profile picture option here. Then you can see the change option is there. So if you click on the change button, then you will get the option of uploading the photos. So you can upload photos as well as your photos, available photos. You can use from your available photos. We are uploading one photo. Select a photo from your computer or your device. So I'm selecting this image as my profile picture. Then open. Then it's uploading. Then you can ensure your record cropping. After doing all setting, if you click on set a profile photo, then this photo will save as your profile photo. Okay, in this way you can change your YouTube profile picture. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.